Post-quickie. Some of these concepts are bizarre on the face of it, just by hearing the name. One of them is post-truth. In an unbelievably obvious case of projection, relativists and postmodernists say that reason is like an oppressive government or just like a religion. They might say, for example, that scientific peer review is like the anointing of sacred facts. That's just ridiculous! Peer review is more like grading someone's paper. The process doesn't stop there. In fact, it's usually just the beginning. It's not a full path to knowledge, but it helps. Oh, it's nothing new. Philosophers like Michel Foucault and Bruno Latour claim that facts weren't objective, but were only considered true because the scientific establishment deemed them to be. Not all knowledge claims are equally valid, and not all methods of determining reality are equally reliable. Intelligent design is nowhere near as valid as evolution. Homeopathy is nowhere near as reliable as modern medicine. Marxism is nowhere near as defensible as laissez-faire capitalism. And even if we don't know what's true at the moment, it doesn't necessarily mean that your opinion should have any superior position. And oh boy, is this all over the place in politics. What's emotionally satisfying is better than what the facts say. Or, as Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez put it, quote, "I think there's a lot of people more concerned about being precisely, factually, and semantically correct than about being morally right." Yeah, she actually said that! Left-wing media calls right-wing media fake news, and right-wing media makes the same claim about left-wing media. The word fake keeps being used in place of stuff I disagree with. You can't legitimately win an argument by trying to out-insult your opponent or make the most successful appeal to emotion. Is-ought is a fallacy, but it's just as fallacious to claim that ought cannot be determined through reasoning.